Just a quick video of 3 of the custom powder coat colors that we can do that I think are just gorgeous. These are 3 of my favorites, and before I zoom in on them, let me also point out that one option we have is we can make a white back plate so that when you put the other plate on top, it really makes it pop. So we can do that, or we cannot do that. They still look gorgeous when they're up against the metal, but in the right light, when you get these really lit up, this one is a candy coat red, and this one's been on our table, so it's got little marks where we've tightened it up. But if you get right up in the paint, I mean the powder, you can see the little flakes, and it's that metallic candy color. It's just amazing, especially if you get it in a lot of light outdoors. And then this one is a candy kind of, I don't know, royal blue or deep blue, and it just almost, it looks like it's almost wet. Again, in the light, I mean, it is just spectacular. And then the black one, now this is a metallic black powder, and this one has tiny little flakes, but it's not, this one I would not describe as being overbearing. There are some blacks that have flakes in them and they look very blingy, not very classy. This is more understated, but as I get up close to it, you can see there are actually tons of little colors in it. And yet when you back up off of it, it just looks black with this kind of metallic shimmery effect. And so those are 3 of my favorites, and just wanted to share that.